What's up guys, welcome back. After using the GameSir G7 Pro Wuchang Edition for over 4 months, I think I finally have a solid opinion on it. This controller has some really interesting features, but it also has a few things you should know before buying it. So today, I'm giving you my full long-term review. The good, the bad, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's get into it. Alright, first, let's take a look at the packaging. Right away, it gives off a really premium feel with a clean design and detailed artwork. Inside the box, the first thing you get is the charging dock, which has the same Wuchang design on it. It actually feels pretty heavy and premium, which is nice to see. And underneath the dock, you can connect the wireless dongle for the controller's wireless connection. Now over to the controller itself. The Wuchang design looks really clean with the blue and gold details, and it definitely stands out. You also get a braided cable in the matching Wuchang colors, along with 2 extra D-pads. Inside the box, there's also the wireless dongle itself, the manual, and finally a small Wuchang keychain, which is a pretty nice extra touch. The controller also comes with 2 remappable back buttons and 2 extra top buttons, which are really useful for competitive games. Triggers use Hall effect technology and even have trigger locks for faster inputs. You also get smooth TMR sticks designed to reduce stick drift, and overall the controller feels really responsive and premium while gaming. The faceplate is also interchangeable, so you can easily swap it out whenever you want to change the look of the controller. It's a nice feature that adds some customization without making things complicated, and GameSir sells additional faceplates on their website. The thumbsticks are also compatible with PlayStation-style Control Freak attachments, so you can easily add taller or different grips if you want more precision or comfort while gaming. The ergonomics are also very familiar if you've used an Xbox controller before. It has that same comfortable shape and layout, so it feels natural in the hands right away without needing any adjustment time. It works on Xbox, PC, and Android with wired USB, wireless dongle, and Bluetooth connections. Now for the sound test. So to wrap up the video, the GameSir G7 Pro Wuchang Edition really impressed me overall. It feels premium, is packed with useful features, and the customization options are a nice bonus. After using it for a while, it definitely holds up as a solid controller for both casual and competitive gaming. The sticks feel incredibly smooth, especially in racing games like Forza Horizon 6, where precise control makes driving feel natural and responsive. It also performs great in FPS games like Call of Duty. Back buttons are a huge help too, letting me react faster without taking my fingers off the sticks. I would highly recommend this controller if you're looking for something comfortable, responsive, and versatile for Xbox, PC, or Android gaming. The smooth sticks, extra back buttons, and wired wireless support make it great for both casual and competitive games. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments what other controller you'd like to see me review.